Hi, Jasmine here from Redwood, and this week's frequently asked question is, why should I use secure storage and when should I use it? Two very good questions in one. First of all, though, what is secure storage? So secure storage is a service that most estate planners and solicitors will offer with regards to things like your important legal documents. Typically, these will be things like your wills, trusts, lasting powers of attorney, but it also might include things like house deeds, insurance documents, marriage certificates, those kinds of things that basically are very important, but we don't need access to them on a day-to-day basis. Now, what's a secure storage facility look like, and also what does our secure storage facility look like? So in terms of what that looks like, well, it means that instead of you having all of the legal documents in your home, it means they're going into a secure storage file that's being opened for you under lock and key, also waterproof and fireproof as well, so we know that nothing can happen to them. What's the benefit and why would you use that for your important legal documents? Well, unfortunately, we've seen it too many times. Obviously, it's very rare that someone's house might burn down or you might have a flood. It's feasible those things could happen and your legal documents might get destroyed and then you have to pay to replace them all over again. But actually, what's more likely to happen is that these legal documents have a way of getting lost or misplaced. Whether we've moved home and we can't remember where we've put them, or whether actually you've passed away and it's your loved ones who can't find them and they've gone through the entire house, tipped it all upside down and still can't find those legal documents. That causes a world of pain when it comes to things like probate or dealing with someone's affairs if they've lost mental capacity and these important documents can't be found. So to avoid the potential chance of them being damaged, destroyed or misplaced, having them in secure storage gives you peace of mind, but it also means your executors, attorneys and trustees know exactly where to go. You get a secure file reference that's unique to you and your family's legal documents. Everyone knows where they're securely held. You can move another 5 times before those documents are needed and they're not going to get misplaced. The other thing is, if anything happens to them while they're in our care, whether they are accidentally lost or damaged, not that it's ever happened, but if anything happened while they were in our care, then we would be liable for replacing them all at our cost. So it's also about protecting you as well and making sure that you're not burdened with having to replace those legal documents if anything goes wrong. So not only does it save your executors, trustees and attorneys a lot of time and stress and aggravation, it gives everyone peace of mind to know exactly where the documents are and to know that they are being securely and professionally stored. So I thoroughly would recommend it and make sure that you do use that service for those important legal documents. Even if we haven't drafted your legal documents, you can have our secure storage service. It's not something that is just for Redwood clients, but obviously the majority of our clients that ask us to produce their wills, their trusts and lasting powers of attorney will always ask us to securely store them as well. So hopefully that answers that question. We've got more information about our secure storage services and packages as well as prices on our website. So please feel free to check that out for more information. And if you have any other questions, just get in touch.